Students, today's chapter is solid state. Okay, chemical kinetics is completed, and you are having syllabus from order, molecularity, then determination of order and molecularity. So determination of order methods, followed by few topics in solid state also. In solid states, types of solids and classification of crystalline solids, unit cell, Bragg's equation, okay, and Bravais lattices. Up to that you are having exam for this weekend, okay. So order and molecularity, determination of order, methods of determination of order, all are completed. Now coming to new chapter, solid state. Okay. So generally matter exists in three physical states: solids, liquids and gases. Okay. So matter exists in three physical states. Number one, solids, liquids and gases. Okay, so three different states. Coming to solid state, gaseous state, liquid state, they are completed in first year in states of matter. States of matter, gaseous state is completed, okay, and also liquid state, properties of liquids. Now in second year you are focus on solid state, okay. So solids have definite shape, okay, and they have definite volume also, okay. They have definite mass also. So solids, they have definite mass, volume and shape, okay. Then coming to types of solids. Generally, two types of solids are there: crystalline solids and amorphous solids. So this classification into two types, that is basing upon the arrangement of ions, molecules or atoms in solids, okay. So particles which are present in solids, they may be atoms, ions or molecules, okay. So arrangement of particles, basing upon the arrangement of particles, two types of solids are there. And coming to types of solids, basing on arrangement of particles. Particles may be atoms, ions or molecules. Basing on arrangement of these particles, solids are classified into two types, okay. Solids are in two types. Number one, crystalline solids, and number two, amorphous solids, okay. So two types of solids are there: crystalline solids, amorphous solids. First coming to crystalline solids. Okay. So crystalline solids. So crystalline solids. So you know that solids having particles. So what are particles here? There may be atoms, ions or molecules. Coming to crystalline solids, all the particles are arranged in regular orderly manner. Okay. So particles which are present in solids, they are arranged in regular order. Okay, some order is there. So crystalline solids are the solids in which particles are arranged in regular order manner. So that regular arrangement of particles, that order is called as long range order. Okay. So crystalline solid shows long range order. Okay. Solids in which particles are arranged in regular order are called crystalline solids. So crystalline solids, so they are having regular arrangement of order. So crystalline solids, they shows regular order arrangement of the particles. And this regular orderly arrangement, this is also called as long range order. Long range order. Okay. Then crystalline solids, they show sharp melting points. If we cut crystalline solid with a knife, its surface is soft and smooth. Okay, without any curves. Okay. So crystalline solids, they shows the long range order, and they also shows the phenomenon anisotropy. Crystalline solids are anisotropic in nature. Okay, these solids shows anisotropy. So solid shows two types of properties. One is anisotropy and another one is isotropy. So here anisotropy is the property shown by crystalline solids. So what is anisotropy? So anisotropy, that is, if you measure some physical properties like refractive index, okay, we get different values in different directions. Okay, values are not same if you measure the physical properties, some of the physical properties in a single direction, in different directions. Okay, we get different values in different direction. So that phenomena itself is called anisotropy. Okay, so anisotropy is values of physical properties are different in different directions. Okay, so that is anisotropy. Then for example, this is a crystalline solid having regular arrangement of particles. If we measure physical property in this direction or in this direction, okay, we get different values. So this phenomena is called anisotropy. Then coming to some crystalline substances, NaCl, okay, CuSO4, 5H2O. So these are crystalline substances. Okay. Then Another type of solids, amorphous solids. So crystalline solids having long range order, whereas amorphous solids having short range order. Short range order. So why? Because amorphous solids having particles which are not arranged in orderly manner. Okay. So particles are not arranged in a order. Okay. And amorphous solids shows isotropy. Okay. Isotropy. So properties are same in all directions. So that is isotropy. So properties here is physical properties. So physical properties are same in all directions. So that is isotrope.